Well, Kenya's ambitious plan of expanding its pharmaceutical industry has received a major boost with the certification of its national carrier's logistics and pharmaceutical facility. The facility, run by Kenya Airways Cargo, has been certified by the International Air Transport Association in a move that will allow the carrier to handle pharma products which are temperature sensitive. Nick Mudimba has more in this report.
Kenya's national carrier, Kenya Airways, is now the second airline in Africa after Ethiopian Airlines to be granted the Center of Excellence for Independent Validators pharma certification. This certification means that Kenya Airways' pharma facility complies with the global aviation body IATA on temperature control regulations and adheres to international standards and best practices in cold chain and pharmaceutical movements.
As the cargo leadership, we set out a clear strategic path to invest in a state-of-the-art warehouse, and we have it now. We completed this process right in the middle of the pandemic in 2021, and we've seen really some exponential growth in terms of the pharma products that are moving across our system. So the certification is two-pronged. We have one for the airline and we have one for the facility.
The accreditation also means that the airline's cargo unit is capable of safely handling high-value, time-sensitive and temperature-controlled transportation of pharmaceutical products with speed and consistency based on shippers' needs.
Our customers are quite enhanced in terms of digitization, and in fact, in a lot of the products you can see here, a lot of them have temperature loggers, data loggers embedded within the consignment. So you cannot cheat the customer. They can track it from the factory to the warehouse.
According to the East Africa community, currently Kenya exports pharmaceutical products to the common market for Eastern and Southern Africa, the East African community and the rest of Africa, where the total market is valued at 1.4 trillion shillings or approximately $10 billion. With this new certification, it's a pat in the back for Kenya Airways, which means it will attract more pharma companies across the world for business, and without a doubt, this will trickle down to their revenue.
We are currently positioning ourselves for Sudan. We are already speaking to a number of the NGOs that are involved in the delivery of vaccines and pharma products. So once the airspaces are fully open, we are pretty confident that we'll play a very pivotal role in getting products to really highly needed places. And this is very fulfilling for Kenya Airways.
The pharma program was created by IATA to help global air freight supply chain by providing universal criteria based on current regulations and standards.
Aircraft 1141, call against the radar Boston, CGTN 185.
1385, aircraft 4141, goodbye.
Bye.
Nick Mudimba, CGTN, Nairobi, Kenya.